Hello friends, welcome to aravalligeoacademy. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, igneous rock classification. This topic is very important for CSIR NET, GATE and as well as the IIT JAM or other geology related exams. Okay, see this. In this diagram, we will discuss the main mineral proportion of the igneous rock and the texture of the main igneous rock. Okay, so first we will discuss the texture in this diagram. Okay, so this is the granite, this one is the diorite, and this one is the gabbro, and this one is the peridotite. We know that granite, diorite and gabbro is the plutonic rock. Okay, and volcanic equivalent of the granite is the rhyolite, and volcanic equivalent of the diorite is the andesite, and volcanic equivalent of the gabbro is the basalt. Okay, so rhyolite, andesite and basalt are the volcanic rock. So the grain size, due to the quick cooling, grain size is not visible. So texture of the volcanic igneous rock is the aphanetic. Aphanetic means not visible. Okay, grain size is not visible. Or in the plutonic rock like granite, diorite and gabbro, because these are crystallized in the depth, so grains are clearly visible. So the texture of this rock are the phaneretic. It means grain size is the visible. Okay, now we discuss the mineral composition, okay, or mineral proportion. So first we will discuss about the granite and rhyolite. Okay, in granite, quartz, potassium feldspar, sodium plagioclase. Sodium plagioclase it means albite and biotite and hornblende. Okay, there are important mineral of the granite: quartz, potassium feldspar, sodium rich plagioclase, biotite and hornblende. Okay, or in the andesite or diorite, okay, mineral composition is the same. uh, Dominant mineral is the plagioclase feldspar. Then some biotite is also present in the diorite or andesite, but very less as compared to granite or rhyolite. And hornblende is the also important mineral of the andesite and diorite. Then this one is the pyroxene. Okay, and remember in diorite and andesite there is no olivine. Okay, there is no olivine, and there is no potassium feldspar. Okay, only plagioclase feldspar is there, or biotite is very less. Hornblende and pyroxene is also there, but potassium feldspar only present in the granite and rhyolite, and plagioclase feldspar present in the andesite and diorite. There is no alkali feldspar in diorite and andesite. Okay, now see the gabbro and basalt. Okay, calcium plagioclase is present in the basalt and gabbro, and we know that sodium plagioclase present in the granite and rhyolite. Okay, but in basalt or gabbro, calcium plagioclase is present. Okay, and hornblende is also present, but less as compared to granite and diorite. Pyroxene is the dominant. Okay, pyroxene is more as compared to hornblende, and olivine is also present. Okay, so important mineral of the basalt and gabbro is the calcium plagioclase, hornblende, pyroxene and olivine. Okay, or in peridotite, the pyroxene or some calcium plagioclase, pyroxene and olivine is there. Okay, olivine is the dominant mineral in the peridotite. Okay, now see this one. Okay, this is the type of the magma: felsic, intermediate, mafic and ultramafic. Peridotite is a ultramafic rock, gabbro and basalt is a mafic rock, and diorite and andesite is a intermediate igneous rock, and granite and rhyolite is the felsic igneous rock. Okay, now focus on this arrow. Okay, the darkness and specific gravity increase when we move from felsic magma to ultramafic magma. Then darkness due to the ferromagnesian minerals are increased from felsic to ultramafic. So darkness as well as the specific gravity increase from felsic to ultramafic. And see this line. okay, the silica content is increased. When we move from ultramafic to the felsic, then silica content is increased continuously, okay, and granite and rhyolite is the silica rich rock, okay. Now we discuss through the images, okay. See, first we discuss the granite and rhyolite, okay. Granite is the plutonic igneous rock and rhyolite is the volcanic igneous rock. See, this is the granite. Granite is the plutonic, so grain size are visible clearly, and rhyolite is the volcanic igneous rock, so grain size is not visible, okay. But the dominant mineral in the granite and rhyolite is the quartz, potassium feldspar, sodium plagioclase, it means albite, and biotite and hornblende, okay. Then diorite and andesite is the intermediate rock, and see the diorite is the plutonic igneous rock, so we can see the grain size is clearly visible. And andesite is the volcanic rock, but this is I think andesite porphyry, so see the phenocryst as well as the ground mass, okay. So major minerals of the diorite and andesite is the plagioclase feldspar, hornblende, pyroxene and biotite. There is no olivine, okay. Plagioclase feldspar, hornblende, pyroxene and some biotite is also there, okay. Now gabbro and basalt, okay. So in gabbro is the plutonic rock, this one is the gabbro, and basalt is the volcanic rock, okay. In gabbro and basalt, calcium plagioclase, anorthite is the dominant, hornblende is also there, pyroxene and olivine, but there is no biotite, okay, and there is no alkali feldspar, okay. So calcium plagioclase is there, and hornblende, pyroxene and olivine. Then peridotite, okay, peridotite is ultramafic rock, so calcium plagioclase as well as pyroxene and olivine is the dominant mineral, okay. See, this is the dunite, okay, dunite, olivine rich rock, and olivine is the major mineral of the peridotite. So thank you so much for watching this video. Try to share with your BSc friends and your geology friends, okay. Thank you.